All right, what we're looking at here is a convection loop, and typically it's not as easy to see convection occur in gases or liquids because they're most often colorless. But what we're going to do here is we're going to add a little bit of food coloring to the water that's in this convection loop. And when the food coloring is added, it kind of sinks to the bottom. Maybe it's a little more dense, it's cooler. It's going to just kind of pool up towards that bottom of the opening. But if I add heat to one side of this convection loop, all this water, and you can start to see the water start to rise up. It's changing density. And as it changes density and decreases density, it rises up. And it's pushing all this cooler water that once contained the green food coloring, it's pushing it all the way down the column and all the way around, where it's being heated up again and rising back up this column and coming back around. So as the molecules in this water start to expand because energy is being added to them, they start to lose their or decrease their density, and when they decrease density, they rise up. So fluids that are less dense will rise up, and when it cools down, those fluids become more dense, and they will sink to the bottom, where they're heated up again. Their density changes due to temperature. Their density decreases, therefore it's going to rise up and create that convection loop.